Hi, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing and also review test of this Hamilton Beach personal single serve 14-ounce blender. So this is sold on Amazon.com for $17.99 and it's sold for $18.98 on Amazon.ca. Let's open the package. So we got a manual, single serve blender, they put some tape here to hold it in place. So it comes with a very nice travel lid, so in case if you're holding it in your hand. So this piece, that it can be detached, as you can see with this line. I'm just aligning it with this piece and it can be removed. And the lid is not staying there, so it's just to cover it up. But if you do, so it's totally loose, it's not being tightened. So this can be closed and open for sipping with a good place to put over your lips. That is made very solid. I picked up the silver color, and so it doesn't have any special switch. You just press and hold and it will run and then stop it. So to start using it, there is an arrow, just align it with this spot, as you can see here. This has been aligned, rotate it counterclockwise and you'll see a click. So let me plug it into the power. Now it's plugged in. If you want to just roll the wire and tighten it, this can be done. So let's say you need shorter wire, just exit from this spot, or if you're traveling, you can just wrap it as much as you can in here. Now let's make a smoothie. These are frozen pineapple, fresh banana, blueberries. I'm going to put milk and a little honey. So I've poured the pineapple, banana milk with around 1 tablespoon honey. Almost 1/3 of the milk is left, so 2/3 of a glass of milk is there. So let's cover this up now. Look at the texture, very nice. So no pieces are left, it's all smooth. So it can be poured directly with this, or you can detach it. Or you can detach it fully and then pour. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and also please thumb up the video. You will get updates of my upcoming videos. I appreciate it.